How to use Microsoft Authentication Application. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type Microsoft Authenticator. Now tap on install. Now wait for the application to install. Now tap on open. Now tap on accept. Now tap on sign in with Microsoft. You can sign in your account. If you don't have one, tap on create one and tap on next. I will enter my password. Now tap on skip and tap on done. So by following this simple step, you can use Microsoft Authenticator application. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.